Hello, amazing educators, and welcome back to WeTeach.U. Are you looking for a fun, interactive way to engage your students and make your lessons more magical? Today, I'm going to show you how to use MagicSchool, which is an innovative platform that makes your teaching easier, interactive, and yes, a little bit magical. As you see, MagicSchool is an online platform designed for teachers to create interactive lessons, quizzes, and activities that captivate students of all ages. Let's dive in step by step. First of all, you need to sign up for free and create your own account if you don't have one. And if you have one, you log in with your account. So once you go to the MagicSchool website, either you create a free educator account. Make sure you choose the educator account, not the student account, because there is an account for both teachers and students. Just when you sign up, just enter your name and a secure password, and you will get instant access to the teacher's dashboard that we see here. Now let us explore the teacher dashboard. Here, this dashboard is your command center, where you can create your lesson plans, your activities, and explore ready-made lessons. You can also track student progress and see which activities are more engaging to you. The next step is to have this conversation with your chatbot that's going to accompany you along your journey with MagicSchool. That's Reina chatbot that you can ask whatever you want about your teaching materials. So Reina chatbot is going to be your instructional coach. He can address any questions related to your practices in teaching, whatever the subject that you teach or your work. So you can ask Reina any kind of questions, any practice in pedagogy or management, school management strategies, and so on and so forth. So here you have some examples of questions. You can choose whether you want answers to be the fastest or the smartest, or whether you want deep reasoning and critical analysis on the part of MagicSchool. So you can ask Reina, for example, this is where you write the prompt. You can ask Reina chatbot to create a worksheet for grade 9 students to explain the chemical reactions. So this is the prompt. The more detailed your prompt is, the more detailed answer you will get with questions and activities and interactive exercises. So here you have the content that you asked for, the definition of a chemical reaction with examples, signs, and types, with practice questions, etc., etc. Now you can upload the file, export it to a PDF file or to a Word file. You can edit the content. You can copy the message. You can ask Reina chatbot to add more practice questions. You can add a visual aid for the reaction types, etc., etc. So that's your instructional coach that's going to accompany you along your journey with MagicSchool. So not only as a teacher you can create content and teacher materials, but you can also create slides, videos, interactive games, songs, all in one place. I'll go over the possibilities that are open in MagicSchool and show you how many activities you can design or create. You can generate images, you can generate worksheets, you can ask MagicSchool to rewrite the text so that it aligns with your students' level. You can create multiple choice quizzes or assignments. You can create or generate a full lesson plan based on a certain standard or topic. You can ask MagicSchool to write feedback on your students' writing based on a set of criteria or on a rubric. You can ask MagicSchool to generate a presentation or to write a professional email to be sent to the teachers or to the parents or students. You can generate custom academic content based on the criteria or the curriculum standards of your school. You can even generate a rubric, or you can upload a link to a YouTube video and ask Reina chatbot to generate guiding questions aligned to this YouTube video. You can translate any text. You just upload the document and ask the chatbot to translate it into any language that you choose. You can generate informational tags or individualized education program. You can email the family, the student's family. You can generate a custom professional email in response to an email that you receive. You can proofread your tags, create questions dependent on a certain type of tags. You can change the level of the text and adapt it to fit your student's level, or generate report card comments with students' strength and areas of growth. You can summarize the text, generate social stories, generate a plan, write letters of recommendation, generate song about a certain lesson. You see that the options and the possibilities are limitless. And that's why, depending on your needs and depending on your student's grade level, you can decide which type of activity you would like to try. So if you want, for example, to generate worksheets about a certain topic, here you click on the worksheet generator icon. You choose your student's grade level, 7th grade, for example, or 8th grade, depending on the grade level that you teach. And here you enter the topic of the text. So either you write here what topic exactly you are teaching, or if you already have a file, a Word file, or about the topic that you're teaching, you just upload it. Suppose, for example, I'm teaching chemical reactions for grade 7, and I already have this file on my desktop. So I upload it and I ask it to generate. I want you to generate a worksheet or a number of worksheets about chemical reactions based on the Word file that you've already uploaded. So that's the prompt. And you will get a lot of different types of questions and practice activities. You can get open-ended questions, fill in the blanks questions, MCQ, and so on and so forth. Even open-ended questions with the answer keys, and with the possibility of copying this and uploading or exporting it in a certain format, in a certain file format. You can edit the questions, and you can ask it to provide you with other examples of chemical reactions that can be included in your lesson plan. And also you can ask it about the way you can use to assess your students' understanding of chemical science more effectively. That's one of the options. All of the options can be made use of if you want to try with these, but certainly you have a certain objective in mind that you might try with MagicSchool to make sure that you're providing your students with the best education possible. You can also assign activities, interactive activities and features to make your lessons truly dynamic, and you can create summaries as I showed you on the teacher board, dashboard. So there is a lot of options available on the platform that I can make use as a teacher. So from paraphrasing the text to designing differentiated tasks even for classes where students have varying abilities, and you can add educational songs, fun jokes, quizzes, poll. So here are the options: the live discussions, the storytelling activities, and even creative writing prompts. Even if you don't have the time to write your prompt, Reina chatbot provides you with creative writing prompts that enable you to get the best worksheets and exercises and academic content. Now, one of the most powerful aspects of MagicSchool is that its lessons and activities are aligned with widely recognized educational standards like the 5E model lesson plans, the CAFR framework for languages. So whether you're following the Common Core standard or the state-specific standards or international framework, MagicSchool ensures that the content you create or adapt supports curriculum goals, even if the curriculum goals are local. So you can provide a MagicSchool with the curriculum goals, and it creates materials that align with your school goals and curriculum objectives. This means that you can design engaging and creative lessons while staying confident that your teaching is meeting a required learning outcome. And also, as you see here, if you want to make your learning even more engaging, you can use MagicSchool's built-in gamification features or song generator or award badges to create challenges and to celebrate student achievement and keep them motivated all the time. And that's it. With MagicSchool, your teaching becomes more interactive and students are more engaged and your lessons are more fun than ever. Try it today and bring a little magic to your school. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to write in the comments what other activities you need, so that we share as teachers the creative and interactive features of the platform.